Today we are going to make a barbecue flavored oven steak. Let's start by cutting 4 medium potatoes and do not need to take the peel. Cut like this, about 1 finger wide. Now cut 1 onion into a slice and remembering that I leave the list with all the ingredients just below. Take a shape, grease with olive oil and with the help of a brush, spread everything very well. Once that's done, add all the potatoes. Guys, for you don't lose any recipe, stay connected because we post the videos every day at 6:30 p.m. On top of the potatoes, add salt, the amount is to taste. Also add Calabrian pepper and the quantity is also to taste, but if you prefer can replace with black pepper. Now add all the onions. And now the steaks. Here I'm using 800 grams of rump, but it can also be against fillet. Just go positioning on top of the potatoes, add on top of these steaks, use coarse salt to season. The amount is to taste. Cover the pan with foil and then place in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, just remove the paper and return with the meat to the oven so that it can brown. Our meat is ready. I'm sure you will love it. It's delicious and with a taste of barbecue. Just to give a finished touch, I put a little green smell, but it's optional. Now just break the meat that is very soft, super juicy, and do it at your house that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Pooh in the Kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching.